Hello everyone, my name is Christopher Angeles. Now I'm going to show you how to install Windows 98 in Virtualbox. Now, as you can see, the virtual machine or Oracle VM Virtualbox is now already installed in my desktop. So let's start. So just click this Oracle VM Virtualbox and click this new icon to create a virtual machine, and go to name and operating system. Go to name and click and just type your Windows, for example Windows 98. And for the machine folder, click this down button and click others, and so just click Windows 98. So select folder, and for the type, click this down button and I choose this Microsoft Windows, and for the version, click this Windows 98. I choose this Windows 98 and click next. And we go now to the memory size of Windows 98, or we call now memory RAM. So the Windows 98 is recommended memory size is 64 MB. So just click next. And for the hard disk, I choose this second option to create a virtual hard disk now. So click this second option and just click create. And for the disk file, I choose this first option we called VDI or Virtualbox Disk Image, and just click next. And we go now to storage on physical hard disk. So I choose this dynamically allocated. Click this first option and click next. And for the file location size, I choose this 2 gigabytes to file location and size for the Windows 98, and click create. As you can see, the Windows 98 is displayed in Virtualbox. So we go now to settings and go to storage, and we go now to controller IDE and click empty, and we go now to attributes and click this CD icon, and I choose this Windows 98 second edition iOS. So just click OK. So click start to install the Windows 98 in Virtualbox. And for the Microsoft Windows 98 CD-ROM startup menu, and I choose this second option we call that boot from CD-ROM, and click this first option to start Windows 98 setup from CD-ROM, click enter and just wait. Windows 98 is going to set up, and click enter to continue, and click enter to continue to configure unallocated disk space to recommended Windows 98, and click enter to continue. And for the allows or more efficient use of this space and large partition to be defined, I choose this no to do not show large disk support, and click enter to continue. And Windows 98 its setup will restart your computer now. So just click enter, and we go to, I choose this again to boot from CD-ROM and click enter. So just click first option again to start Windows 98 to set up from CD-ROM and wait to formatting Windows 98. Windows 98 is formatting drive C. Wait for 100% of the drive formatted. So wait to continue and press this enter to quit setup. Press escape. Sorry. So Windows 98 is set up. So to begin setup, click to continue. And we go now to select directory. So I choose this first option to Windows and click next. So we go now to set up option. So I choose this typical for the option to choose first typical and second portable, third compact, and fourth custom. So I choose this typical and click next. And for the Windows component, I want set up to install the most common component to recommended Windows 98. So I choose this first option, click and click next. So we go now to identification. So I create the computer name. For example, my name, Christopher Angeles. So Christopher. So just click next. And we go now to establishing your location. So I recommended to Philippines. So just click next. And we go now to start copying files. So just click next. So wait for 24 minutes to copy progress. So just wait for 100% to complete and continue to set up for the Windows 98. And so just click restart to back again to the Windows 98 setup menu. And click this first option to boot from hard disk. Please enter and wait. So we go now to user information. So type your name below and just type your name. So for example, Christopher. If you want, you can also type the name of your company. So just click next. And we go now to license agreement, and I choose this first option to accept the agreement and click next. So now the Windows XP is including in the box below. So just type the activation for Windows 98. So I prepare the Windows activation for my notebook, and just type the activation PRDDH 83 JD 9 G6 EK4 and 684GF and 6Y73B. So after that, so you can just click next. So finish to continue and start Windows. Click finish to continue start Windows 98. So Windows is now detecting non-plug and play hardware in your computer. This may take a few minutes and may cause your computer to stop responding. So now, as you can see, the Windows is completed. So restart again to Windows 98. So we go back again to setup menu. So I choose again this boot from hard disk. So we go now to date and time properties. So click this date, and I choose this February and February 20. So check. So we go now to time zone and click this down button, and I choose this Taipei. So apply and OK, and wait for a few minutes to set up or loading the Windows 98. The updating system is almost done. So just click restart again to go back Windows or Microsoft Windows to start up menu. So I choose this first option to boot from hard disk again. So we go now to enter network password. So My name is Christopher Angeles and my password, and for example, and click OK or enter and confirmation new password and click enter or press. So wait for a few minutes. So Windows 90 is almost done, and thank you for watching, and God bless.